Dear students, let us try to know what is terza rima in English literature. Okay, terza rima is a poetic form and it is always used by the poet in their composition because it is a poetic form. So now it is an Italian measure actually, and it was adopted from Dante's Divine Comedy. So terza rima is a 3-line stanza. First of all, you have to focus here that terza, that is 3, and rima, rhyme. So terza rima is a 3-line stanza using chain rhyme. Okay, chain rhyme, because the procedure of this stanza, procedure of this type of rhyme scheme or measure, it goes on. So chain rhymes in the pattern of ABA, BCB, CD, C and DE, D. Means there is no limit to the number of lines. So terza rima is a stanza of 3 lines and it always carries the rhyme scheme or the rhyme pattern just like this. And the best example we always have P.B. Shelley's Ode to the West Wind. It is a good example of this meter, and it is a lovely form because it is an Italian measure. So it is a lovely form, though it is very complicated for a poet when he has to use it in his poem. So it is a stanza, lovely form of stanza arrangement of iambic pentameter, right? So terza rima is a stanza arrangement of iambic pentameter lines in groups of 3, and there is no limit of stanzas or groups, but the same poetic form, the same arrangement remains there. The rhyme scheme is ABA, BCB, CDC, DED, EE, and in Italian language the word terza rima is derived. Terza means third and rima means rhyme. So we have here the best example of P.B. Shelley from Ode to the West Wind, and just like this you can answer in the exam within few lines, because it can be asked in very short question, and few lines you can have here. Make me thy lyre even as the forest is. What if my leaves are falling like its own? The tumult of thy mighty harmonies will take from bath a deep autumnal tone. Sweet tough in sadness, be thou spirit fierce, my spirit be thou me, impetuous one. So you can find here the rhyme scheme, 3 lines, okay, 3 lines of a stanza, then second stanza again of 3 lines, and the rhyme scheme is harmonies, okay, is first line is matching with the third one, is harmonies A. On is not matching with the first and the third, so it will be given letter B. And now on, tone and one, that is matching. So now the rhyme scheme of the second stanza is B, C and B. Okay, tone 1, that is B, B. So this is the rhyme scheme of terza rima. You can give this example of P.B. Shelley's Ode to the West Wind.